look down. Just turning my island into Beirut!
I don't want you to.
What's up, movie junkies? Are you tired of scrolling through your streaming app for hours trying to find that perfect adrenaline pumping world to get lost in? Well, stop right there. I have done the heavy lifting for you. So grab your popcorn, buckle up, and let's jump into this neon-soaked high-concept countdown of the 12 most insane blockbuster hitting screens in 2026. But first, smash that like and subscribe button if you are ready for some serious suggestions. Let's dive in. Crime 101
Is the future.
Chris Hemsworth and Mark Ruffalo face off in a slick tactical hit thriller along the 101 freeway. Hemsworth is a master thief pulling off $1 million jewels score, and Ruffalo is the relentless detective closing the net. This is heat for the modern generation, when the thief's final job forces him to partner with a conflicted insurance broker. Played by Halle Berry, the line between hunted and hunted begins to blur in masterclass of military precision time. It is an action thriller film with heist and tactical crime. If you love Heat or The Town, with incredibly real action thriller and heist, then it is must watch. Releasing on February 13, 2026.
Start by handing me your phone.
So you're a thief.
Guys who work for you think they're squeaky clean?
Son Asmora leads the chilling suspense thriller about an ICU nurse who helps a coma patient accused of murdering 6 women. Soon, he is drawn into a web of possession and deadly secrets while a detective wishes to stop the killer. It is a ticking clock mystery where the most dangerous enemy is the one you can't see coming. Plot twist that will make your head spin faster than a helicopter blade. It is a suspense thriller movie with mystery and horror. If you love high-tension, character-driven mysteries with suspense, thriller, and mystery, then it is must watch. Releasing on February 10, 2026.
Bodies have appeared with the Huntsman's Emma.
The Death of Robin Hood. Hugh Jackman plays a battle-worn Robin Hood who has lived long enough to see his own legend become a lie. Grappling with a past of murder and crime, he seeks salvation in the hands of a mysterious woman played by Jodie Comer. This is a dark, historical thriller from A to Z that stripes away the heroics for raw mud and soil combat as he is haunted by this former crew, including a menacing Little John played by Bill Skarsgård. It is a historical action film with gritty thriller. If you like Logan or The Revenant, then it is must watch. Releasing on April 2026.
That's who follow her.
Gale, Yellow Brick Road. Forget the childhood story. This is a nightmare reimagining of old. Dorothy's granddaughter Emily is haunted by vision of a dark shadow world that shouldn't exist. She is pulled into the ruins of Oz, now a distant realm ruled by madness and horror. It is a fantasy horror journey through a hell-flamed escape that is visually graphic and deeply unsettling. Picture Alike in Wonderland, directed by the team behind Evil Dead. It is a fantasy horror film with sci-fi thriller. If you like Pan's Labyrinth or the dark atmosphere of Prometheus, then it is must watch. Releasing on February 11, 2026.
Sorry, Zach, did we wake you?
Look, you've always been a space case, but this is getting ridiculous.
Eternity. Elizabeth Olsen and Miles Teller star in this mind-bending A24 fantasy. In an afterlife where you have 1 week to choose where to spend eternity, Joan is torn between the man she spent her life with and her first love, who has waited decades for her. It is an intelligent sci-fi with visuals that looks like a living painting. It is Inception meets The Good Place but with a much darker thriller edge. It is a sci-fi fantasy thriller film with romantic drama. If you like Eternal Sunshine of the Spotless Mind or Interstellar, then it is must watch. Releasing on February 13, 2026. Good luck, have fun, don't die. Sam Rockwell stars as a man from a future revealed by rogue AI who travels back in time to a Los Angeles dinner. He takes the patrons hostage not for money but to recruit them for a one high quest to save humanity. This is the Terminator mixed Back to the Future with a sarcastic high-octane twist. Expect mind-bending tech, tactical dinner defense, and Rockwell delivering one-liners while dogging killer robots. It is a sci-fi action movie with thriller dark comedy. If you like Tenet or Free Guy but want something grittier and more insane, then it is must watch. Releasing on February 13, 2026. The Wrecking Crew. When you put David Bautista and Jason Momoa in the same frame, you know things are getting wrecked. These two play extended half-brothers Johnny and Tim, who are forced to reunite in the streets of Hawaii after their father died under suspicious circumstances. It is a fast and furious energy mixed with bad boys chemistry. We are taking high-speed chase through tropical jungles, massive explosion, and the duo punching after their way through a buried conspiracy. It is an action comedy film with buddy cop adventure. If you love Hobbs and Shaw with chemistry is off the chart and the stunts are pure popcorn entertainment, then it must watch. Releasing on January 28, 2026. Avengers Doomsday. The king of all blockbusters, Robert Downey Jr. returns to the MCU but not as Iron Man. He is Dr. Doom, a master of science and magic triggering a multiversal crisis. Every hero from Captain America to the Fantastic Four must unite to stop him. This is Michael Bay level spectacle with the emotional weight of Endgame. It is the most insane superhero event ever put on film, and it will change the MCU forever. It is a sci-fi action film with superhero spectacle and fantasy. If you love multiverse warfare, then it is must watch. Releasing on December 18, 2026. The Strangers Chapter 3. The home invasion nightmare finishes here. Madeleine Pest returns in a masterclass of psychological dread. The masked intruders are back in an isolated setting, and this time the predictability is gone. It is a brutal, visually graphic survival story where silence is your worst enemy. Every setup is like a threat, and the ending promises to be the most insane spectacle in the franchise history. It is a horror thriller with survival action. If you love Don't Breathe, the original Strangers, then it is must watch. Releasing on February 6, 2026. Shrinking. Harrison Ford and Jason Segel returns for more rule-breaking therapy. While it is got hard, the bender is as sharp as any action movie one-liner. Jimmy and Paul are navigating a world where professional boundaries crumble as Jimmy's daughter moves away to college. This season brings in a massive guest stars like Michael J. Fox and Jeff Daniels, creating a mix of hilarious missteps and emotional gut punches. If you like comedy drama, Life of Life, then it is must watch. Releasing on January 28, 2020. Greenland Migration. Gerard Butler is back and the stakes are higher than a comet fragment. 5 years after the Clark comet decimated Earth, the Garrity family is forced out of their Greenland bunker when massive earthquake collapsed their sanctuary. This is not just a survival movie. It is a masterclass in disaster action. John Garrity is dying from radiation exposure, and their only hope is a rumored breathable crater in France. Imagine The Road meets 2012. But with Butler fighting through tidal waves and electromagnetic storms to save his family one last time. It is a sci-fi action movie with disaster thriller.
Father, a child, a life untouched by the storm. Once more, defeat one more enemy and return home to her.